I am back with a full get ready with me video on this soft glam makeup look right here, and I'm going to show you how I installed this wig and styled it to get these gorgeous curls with the ringlets on the bottom. And I tried to keep the makeup as minimal as possible for this soft glam look. I still wanted to look super sexy and put together, but the skin is a lot more fresh, it's more lightweight, so I think this is going to be perfect for summertime. If you would like to see how I created this full look right here, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So the wig today is from OMGHerHair. This is my first time trying a wig from this company. I want to thank them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. This is the texture of the curly hair. This is one of their 13x6 HD frontals. It's in 22 inches, and here is the underside of the lace. It does have 3 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it has the 4A, 4B edges on it. So it looks super natural. I did not do any plucking. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. This is exactly how it came inside of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wig on my head and see what we are working with. Now I'm gonna clip the hair out the way so that we can cut off that excess lace. So I'm going to remove the lace around the ear tabs first because that's the easiest way for me to do this. Next, I'm going to cut a slit in the middle, and then we're going to start cutting the lace on the right side in a zigzag motion because I do not want there to be a straight line of demarcation. And now I'm going to remove that excess lace on the left side of the wig. So as you can see, it looks super natural even before I'm laying the lace down. You could definitely rock this wig glueless. The edges on the wig just make everything flow really nice. Also, I noticed that this wig has a really great fit, so it fits snug so that the ear tabs aren't like sticking all the way up, which also allows you to wear this wig glueless. I want to wear this wig for a couple of days, so I'm going to apply the 𝐒𝐵 Wonder Lace Spray in the black can. It's one of my faves. It's super easy to remove, but it's also really easy to lay your wig down, which is why I love this adhesive. I'm going to allow the adhesive spray to get tacky. This takes about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and start laying my lace down. I'm starting in the middle, then I'm going to the right side. As you can see, the lace is just melting into the adhesive spray. It already looks super great glueless, so it's very easy to install a wig that already fits really great. When you apply the adhesive, it will literally just stick to it. So this is a very simple install, y'all. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and start laying that lace down and just pushing it into the tacky adhesive spray. Next, I'm going to pin the hair up, get it out the way with 2 clips, and then I'm going to take this elastic band and wear it around my head for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're going to do our makeup. So let's get into this makeup look. I'm starting off with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Y'all know it's one of my favorites. It really just allows your foundation to stick to it. Today, I'm going to be using a tinted moisturizer. This is actually my first time using this moisturizer from Rare Beauty. It is their Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer, and it does have SPF of 20 in it, so it's perfect to wear during the day, I'm using my fingers to blend it in, and it literally looks like skin. Once you get it nice and blended, you can still see some of my imperfections peeking through, which is perfectly fine. I just wanted something to even my skin tone for the most part. So I normally don't use this shade to highlight underneath my eyes, but I wanted something a little more closer to my skin tone rather than the super bright under eyes. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm just applying it to the high parts of my face, and then we're going to blend it out with this e.l.f. Beauty Blender. So we're going to keep the contour really simple today for the soft glam look. So I'm going in with the Black Radiance Color Perfect just on my cheekbones and down my nose, and I'm doing it a little different than I normally do, just trying out something little different, but it's giving the same result basically. You can always try out different techniques to see what you like best, but I'm blending it out, and this is just to give my face a little bit more color so it doesn't look flat. So next I'm going in with this Rare Beauty blush in the shade Lucky, and as you can see, she is super bright, but we are applying it to the cheeks, and I even added a little bit to my nose. Trust the process. I know it looks bright AF right now, but we're gonna blend this baby out with the Beauty Blender, and by the time we apply the powder and everything, it's going to look very seamless. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade Banana. And next, I'm going to set my entire face with the Clinique Perfectly Real Compact Powder. And this is discontinued now from Clinique, but I will link something similar in the description box down below for y'all. Y'all already know my obsession with this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. This is the Mocha Mommy bronzer, and I'm applying it to my cheeks, and I'm also using it on my nose. I normally do not use it with this big brush. Next, I'm going to set my liquid blush in place with this ColourPop Hot to Touch Pressed Powder Blush, and I'm applying this to my cheeks and also my nose. I think this blush is super pretty over the Rare Beauty blush. Lips are feeling dry, so I'm going in with the Lancome Juicy Tube in the shade Spring Fling, which I love. It makes my lips feel really moisturized. Now let's get into these brows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5, and I'm really working on the tail area because I'm missing hair there. So we're going to darken that in, and then in the front of the brow, I'm gonna go in with the Brow Contour Pro Pencil in the lighter shade to draw hair-like strokes there. You don't have this super shock eyeshadow from ColourPop you need it in your life. It's called Free Reign, and it's the perfect like brown with shimmer. If you want a chocolate brown smoky, yes baby, this is it. And then you don't even have to add anything in your crease if you don't want to. Lately, I have been loving a cream color liner in my waterline. This one is from L'Oreal. It's their Infallible Longer Eye Pencil. I'm not sure of the shade, but I'll leave it linked down below for y'all. But it is perfect for just opening up your eyes. Next, I'm going to take this MAC eyeshadow in Saddle and apply it to my lower lash line. And I'm also going to use it to smoke out the crease of my eye. I wasn't going to put any color there, but then last minute I'm like, okay, I want to add a little something there, so I decided to do so. All right, let's get into this mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. This will always be a go-to mascara for me. I've been using it for like over a decade on and off, and it's just so good. Now let's apply lashes. I'm using the Velux by IMV lashes in the style Champagne Pink. Y'all know this is one of my fave lashes. And I like pushing it in the middle and then each side to get the lash on. If you need help applying lashes, I will link a tutorial down below. And if you've never curled your false lashes before, try it. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Let's get some color on the lips. I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake, and I wanted to do a pink to match the blush. And the last and final step is bathing in makeup setting spray. Y'all know how I do. This is the MAC Fix Plus spray. So now that the makeup's done, let's get back to the wig and style this baby up. So the wig was already parted in a middle parting, but I want to go ahead and straighten it up a little bit and also move it a little further back. So that's what we're doing here. Here is the natural texture of the hair before co-washing or adding any product to it. It's really pretty, but I want to go ahead and define those curls and see what it looks like from there. So I'm going to take a spray bottle mixed with water and leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to spray it throughout the whole head until I get it nice and drenched. Next, I'm going to take this Tresemme Flawless Curls Mousse and I'm going to run and rake it down the whole hair, and I'm going to use this to define the curls of the hair. Don't be afraid to add more water after you apply product. Just make sure that you keep the hair moisturized as you're doing this. Otherwise, you will end up with frizzy hair, which is not what we want. Next, I'm going to go in with this foam wrap mousse from Shine and Jam, and I'm applying it to my parting area to lay that part of the wig down, and I'm also smoothing it on the curls throughout the entire hair shaft as well as the ends, because this is going to help me get some gorgeous ringlets on the bottom. Next, I'm going to take my wet brush and I'm going to use it to further define those curls, particularly on the bottom of the hair as well as throughout the entire head. So here is a comparison of the hair after defining the curls on one side and keeping the other side completely untouched. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera, and both sides are now defined. I'm going to let the hair fully air dry and I'll be back. And here is the hair after allowing it to fully air dry. The curls are super gorgeous. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave a link down below in the description box for y'all. I hope you enjoyed this full get ready with me video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you would like to see on my YouTube channel next, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you haven't already checked out my last makeup tutorial, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead, click the box. It'll take you straight to it.